Is your shower head all gross and nasty, but you don't want to spend money on buying a new one? I'm going to teach you how to fix that. Bad hack number 16. First thing you're going to do is unscrew your shower head. Try not to get soaking wet in the process. Then you're going to head to your kitchen and grab yourself this stuff. You're going to put just a tiny bit in there. And then you're going to grab some white vinegar and also pour that in. Now you're going to reinstall your shower head. And we're going to let that sit for like 5 minutes. Now that that's sat for 5 minutes, you're going to turn it on. Now that you're absolutely soaking wet and you smell like salt and vinegar chips, your shower head's fixed. The more you know.